Guys, today I'm going to show you where the pollen filter is on a Vauxhall Corsa D. So just underneath the glove box on the passenger side of the vehicle, you want to look for this black cover. Now just at the bottom you'll see a little plastic tab that hooks on, so just give it a pull and it'll pop off, and off comes the cover. Now there is one at the top as well, but when you pull the bottom one it should just hinge off the top, and that's the cover removed. And then just stick your fingers in the hole and grab hold of the pollen filter and pull it out, and that's how you remove the cabin filter, guys. Really easy one on these. There might be a cover underneath the dash you might have to remove to get to it, but on this one there's nothing. So cheers for watching, guys.